Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you how super quick and easy it is to put on ColorStreet in case you're interested in getting some samples from me. So you use this little alcohol prep pad and just wipe down your nails, and you get this entire strip in one package. However, it can, if you have like super short nails like I do, you get 2 of these rows. So you can technically get maybe, I think 2 and then 2 entire sets, and then use the rest for accent nails, or if you have a young child, you can use the remaining for them, give them a fun polish. So you measure it up. I've already laid it out, so you find the one that matches up to your nail size, and you can lay it out. Hi, Liz! So you match it up. So I've already wiped my nails with the alcohol pad, and then there's this little plastic strip right on top. So you peel that part off, and then on the bottom, you will peel the bottom part off, and then my nails are kind of, okay, so you grab it, you see the little silver, you'll peel that part off, and then you're left with this strip right here, and then you gently pull, so you're left with this entire strip. So me, I have really short nails, so I lay this on. You can even stretch it wide or lengthwise to match up your nails. So super easy. You pull it, oopsie, and then you take your other nail and just, see, I don't even need a file. Hi, Erica! So I just take my other nail and kind of press it down and then peel the remaining off. So there you go. I already have one side on. Pretty cool. And then you can just smooth it on top so that it stays. Easy peasy, no drying, awesome. And then so since I have short nails again, I try to grow them, but it doesn't work. I'll take the other side. See, you can just touch it, doesn't matter. No need to keep it off of anything. So nail again, you take your strip, place it right on top, side to side, make sure it's on there, and then again, you're gonna take your thumb or any other finger, and you kind of just smash it under your nail so it creates that little perforation, and then pull off. Voila! Look at how quick and easy. I don't know, can you kind of see it? Light's kind of coming through. So no dry time. This is awesome because I really don't have the time or patience just to sit there, even though sometimes it's kind of fun. So I'm gonna do one more so you can see. So here we go. This one I measured for my ring finger. It's easy. Hi, Courtney. So these are it's ColorStreet. ColorStreet. So it is nail polish strips, but it's super easy sticker form. So they come like this in a package. So you can definitely do, depends on how long your nails are, but if you have normal short to medium nail length, you can definitely get at least 2 or more manis out of them. And you just measure each strip up to your nail size, and then you peel off. There's a top clear part. Peel that right off. And then the bottom, see where that little silver part is, tab? You'll gently peel that part off the bottom, put that to the side. And this part right here, you'll take it off gently, and then you'll have the strip. It's stuck on my finger. And then you match it up to your nail. So here's my nail, short. I start at the top, right below the cuticle. You gotta make sure it doesn't go on the cuticle because then once you get in the shower, it might just come right off because your cuticles are soft. So you can push your cuticles back with a cuticle stick or just with your finger. I'm kind of lazy. I want it quick, so I just push it back with my finger. And then see how I have this extra strip? I'm going to use that for my other side. So I will kind of smash it on. And then at the edge, I'll take my thumb and kind of smush it under like this. So it creates that perforation. And then I'll just keep going. And then gently, it peels right off. Yay! Ring finger done. See? So I have two. I have really weird man hands. But putting the ColorStreet on kind of makes them a little girlier. And I love that they're really quick. So I have the other side here left that I pulled off. And I'll put it close to my cuticle right below. And then I'll smooth it on like that. And then I'll do the same thing. Take my thumb and push it right under. And then take off the excess. That's trash. Voila! I got 4 fingers already done. So only a few more to go. And it's really, really easy, pretty. You can do accent nails if you get different. There's lots and lots of different patterns. They have like the holiday patterns you can use. A lot of people do like the ring finger. So they last up to 2 weeks. I had a set on for the cruise. I was inside the thermal spa. I went into the water and they did really well. I climbed up the rocks near the waterfall. So yeah, my nails are really thin and weak. So when I have something on top of them, especially these, because these are a little more durable than just like putting your own nail polish on. So they keep my nails from breaking, which is pretty awesome. I try to take vitamins, but I don't know. I'm guessing they're helping me overall. But these definitely have helped keep my nails from breaking during the week, which is good. And they're pretty affordable. They have solids. They have this glitter, which is awesome. They have fun prints. And yeah, so I'll go on to my middle finger. So same thing. It's like you could just be watching TV or, making sure your kids are doing their homework, or watching some Netflix, and you can get your nails done super quick and affordable. Solids are $11. These pretty glitters are $12. The prints are $13. So you get your nail, you match it up again, smooth it from one side to the other side. And depending on your nail width, you can also stretch it like I've said before, which is really easy to do because it is like it's literally a sticker that has cool benefits to it for your nails. See? Fast. Take the other side. Line it up. Go from one side to the other. And then you take your nail. Some people use a file, but that's like another step. Why add? Make it something quick and easy. You can even have your girlfriends come over and have like little parties. I can set up a little hostess party for you if you want to do something online. There are rewards, which is awesome. So already 3 down, both sides, pretty quick. I guess I'll do it all. I was just going to do one finger, but I can keep on going. So clear tab, right on top, peel off, set to side, lift up the little silver part, peel off the bottom. Woo! There, see? So the glitter, pretty. And then you peel off that top part so that you have your strip ready. Hi, Emily! Okay, so I've got this is for my index finger. Yeah, and I do. I really have like super ugly, weird nails, fingers. So I love it. Like when I go get my nails done and get regular polish, like literally, I get to my car and it gets like ruined right away. I tried doing gel nails, especially when going on vacation. But the gel, I'm too lazy to go back and I don't want to pay to get it removed. So I start picking at it and then my nails get further damaged, which really, really sucks. There you go. So fast, right? Yay. Got the other side. Put it on. And then put that on. So if you don't have patience, you can, while you're waiting for your kid to get out of school, you can, I mean, if you're the busy mom, we know it is. Like even when I was working, it was rough. Now that I'm working from home, it seems like there's not that much time either. So it's kind of nice to have a little bit of me time. Look, yay, 8 done. Woo! Look it, sparkle, sparkle. Okay, so I only have my thumb to do. Giant thumb. You can also put these on your toes. That is pretty awesome. So I do like to go for pedicures once in a while because you know you need to get it all like clean and nice. But in between, this is a great option. You have the larger size, and my friend, she told me you can go if you have a large big toe, you can turn it on the side. Hi, Wendy. So these are ColorStreet nail polish strips. So it's like sticker nail polish and super easy and quick to apply. And it is real nail polish. It's super thin. It doesn't give you that weird feeling that, you know, that, no, hi, Courtney. So these are not. So you can get solid colors. Solid colors are $11 for a set. And the set comes with 2 of these entire strips. So you can get at least 2 entire manis from it. And you can keep the rest for accent nails or for your child. And these glitter ones are $12 a set. And then the ones with designs are $13 a set. But if you order online, they have buy 3, get 1 free. And there's also the French tips. So some people, I mean, I used to love French tips, but they would have to draw on like a really thick line because I don't have long nails and they look all uneven. But ColorStreet also has the French tips, and those are amazing. Easy to apply. Same thing. You just apply the little white part on, and then you'll put the entire clear part on, and then it's the same process. You just go like that, take the rest off, and then you'll have a great polish. So let me do my thumbs really quick. Oh, for those of you that missed it, there's that clear part. Take it right up on top. And then you take the little silver part, peel the bottom off. Voila. So that's it. Can you see it? That is actual nail polish. So it's smooth on the side that's on top, and the bottom has that sticker part. You're going to peel that top part off. So it's double-ended now. So you see? So if you have short nails, I know, Courtney, you do! So I have a link below in my other post where you can order from, or I can even also include a sample with your next order, and then you can end up using the sample for your accent nails, which is really fun to do. Even when you have like what is it called? Those like fills or acrylics. You could put these like right on top and it doesn't damage it. So there you go. There's my little fat thumb. So this is the second to largest size there is. And I just take my other thumb, smoosh it right under where the end of my nail is. And then see, it just comes right off. And then I'll just kind of like rub the end of it with my finger to make sure it's all smooth. And look at that, sparkly. Okay, so I've got this piece left over, and then I'm just going to apply it to my other thumb. There you go. So perfect, I have that. And then I'll just take my finger and kind of gently smash it so it like peels off. And look at that, perfect. So yeah, I mean, if I'm doing like my normal activities like dishes, washing my hands, shower, like every day without, you know, being on vacation in the pool or being in a wet and dry sauna like every day, these would definitely last longer. I mean, I could have kept my cruise ones on, but I kind of wanted to show off how to put on the new ones, how easy it is. So there, like my man hands look a little more girly and fun. So yeah, there you go, super easy. Looks good. To go pick up the kids, do whatever, bling bling. Yes, Emily, you have like really pretty long nails. I can never get those, but these keep my fingers pretty. Hi, Wendy. Yes. So if you want a sample, I can include one in your order. So message me or comment or whatnot. Yay, bye guys.